In this video, I will show you how you can fix the camera not working issue on any Samsung tablet. Now, if the camera is not working on your Samsung tablet, now to fix this issue, just go to Settings. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the camera app. Now just tap on it. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Storage. Select Clear Data and tap on Delete. After you do that, then just go back. And from here, just tap on Permissions. Now from here, just make sure you give the camera app all the necessary permissions, like the permission to the camera, to the microphone, and to the photos and videos. After you do that, then just go back. After you arrive to this app list, just tap on the three dots over here and select Reset App Preferences. Select Reset, and after you do that, then just go to your home screen and check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just open the Control Center, and over here, just look for the option for Sensors Off. If this option is enabled, just turn it off. After you do that, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to your home screen and perform a restart on your tablet. For that, just open the Control Center and tap on the power icon. Now just select Restart. Once the restart process is completed, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to Settings. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on General Management. On this page, just tap on Reset. And from here, just look for the option for Reset All Settings. Tap on Reset Settings, then enter your lock screen PIN or pattern. Now from here, just tap on Reset. And by doing this, you will reset all the settings of your tablet. And do not worry, this option will not delete any data of your tablet. It will just reset all the settings of your tablet in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. And this is how you can fix the camera not working issue on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.